This video will show you how to use the FC Spotlight as a NANLITE product series that's specifically designed for young users with a meticulously designed new appearance and outstanding performance. FC will definitely play a big role in studios and live stream scenes. The comprehensive and efficient controls will open up more possibilities for creators and photographers. Here we take the FC-500B as an example to introduce the functionality and demonstrate the operations. Carry case, FC-500B, power supply, reflector, DC connection cable, AC power cable. FC is designed with a new look of silver and black color combination, an exclusive NANLITE blue decorative frame, an adjustable handle on the right side, together with unilateral stepless locking for 360 degrees rotation and fastening. There is a handle on the back. Thanks to built-in control, most operations can be done on board. Bi-color light source. The Bowens mount and umbrella mount make it compatible with a wide range of accessories. FC series is packed with a power supply, which can be mounted on light stands via the quick release clamp, optional purchase. The carry case is designed with an elegant waistband, printed with the fixture's basic information, with integrated design inside, tight-spaced cushioning, convenient storage, lightweight material, and with a handle, make transition shooting easier. Mount the yoke on the light stand. Tighten the fixing knob. Connect the fixture with power supply via DC cable. The DC cable is with male-to-male connector, so no worry about misconnection. Take the power cable. Connect the power supply with AC 100 volt to 240 volt power source. Align the reflector to the Bowens mount. Rotate clockwise until it clicks into place. On the control panel, rotate the left knob to adjust parameters. Rotate the right knob to select options. Press the Mode button to switch modes. Press the Menu button to go to the menu. The USB port is for firmware update with the dustproof cover. DMX port and power switch at the bottom. After introduction of UI, let's get into the onboard operation. CCT mode for adjusting brightness and color temperature. FC-500B supports 0 to 100% dimming in 0.1% increment. Short press the left knob to prompt switch between 0.0% and current brightness, 2700 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin, CCT adjustable by 100 Kelvin increment. Short press the right knob to toggle among commonly used CCT. FC bi-color lights have 12 built-in effects. All parameters of each effect are fully tunable. Help achieve the custom light effect you need. Now let's go to the menu setting. Set the output mode, max output and constant output. Set the address, range from 1 to 512. Enter the Bluetooth setting. Reset the Bluetooth. Enter the 2.4G setting. Choose the wireless protocol. Four fan modes: Smart, Full Speed, Low Speed, Off. Different maximum outputs in different fan modes. Rotate screen, screen brightness, and language are adjustable. Reset all settings to restore the settings to the initial state. Now let's update the firmware. Turn off the fixture. Insert the USB drive that with firmware file. Turn on the fixture. Enter the firmware update menu. Choose the update. After update, the fixture will automatically reboot and enter the operation interface. From the version option in the menu, we can check the current firmware version. Now let's demonstrate how to control on the NANLINK app. Create a new scene. Connect with FC-500B via Bluetooth. After connecting, enter the interface. In CCT mode, DIM and CCT are adjustable. The adjustment range is the same as that on board. Tap the heart-shaped icon in the top right corner to preset the current setting. In effect mode, 12 effects are available for control. The adjustable parameter options are more compared to onboard control. After setting, we also preset the parameters in this mode. Tap the options in the preset list to recall the settings that have been preset before. Tap the fan icon in the top right corner. There are 4 fan modes available. FC series supports wired DMX RDM control. There are DMX mode, DMX reduced channels, DMX dimming curve, and DMX smoothing functions. Let's set them one by one. After setting, we can control the console. Besides, FC series also supports wireless DMX connection to meet your need for DMX wireless control. That's it for the FC series basic operations. Thanks for watching. Hope the FC series brings you a new experience for creation.